So we're now at the southern tip of Wrens National Nature Reserve, where the limestones come up on either side to form a kind of upturned boat, and we, if you like, are on the upturned bow of the boat. And behind me you can see really what a pronounced statement the limestones, the hard rocks, make on the landscape. They form these sharp hills. Here we're elevated, then behind me the hillside drops away into the soft rocks of the coal measures, clays and coal and ironstone, which is very easily eroded by ice sheets and rivers. And then they rise again into the wooded hill of Castle Hill behind me. Like wrinkles in a great carpet, the limestone poke up through these softer beds. And then in the far distance we've got the city of Birmingham. You probably just see the post office tower, and that rises up onto the red sandstone hills on the other side, the east of Birmingham. So from a viewpoint like this we can see a profound relationship between the rocks and the drainage and how people live and use that landscape. It's also the place on this range of hills where two drainage basins actually divide. This range of hills, from Rowley in the far distance, Castle Hill, Dudley, here at Wrens Nest, running on through to Sedgley and finally dying away at the western end where Wolverhampton is. We have a range of hills which, if the rain falls on the northern slopes, it drains behind us onto the coalfield where it joins the River Tame, and the River Tame literally winds its way across the coalfield and out to the northeast where it becomes the River Trent, running through Nottingham, and then eventually empties out its water that started here in the North Sea at the Humber estuary. Yet on the other side, if it rains on the southern slopes of this hill, then it drains down into the River Stour, and the River Stour itself drains across to the west into the River Severn, where it's captured and it ends up at the Bristol Channel, pouring out into the Irish Sea. So this literally is the watershed, shedding water to two great drainage basins and determining where water goes across the landscape that we've now peopled since the last ice age.